Hello, my dear students. Today, the concept which we will discuss is strategy formulation. Before I proceed to the concept of a strategy formulation, it is very important for us to know what exactly strategy is. Yes, we are talking about business strategies, we are talking about the concept of strategic management and process. When a business concern plans to prepare or formulate any specific strategic move to stay ahead of competition, they prepare and plan strategies. So strategies are what? These are the game plans. So we must have to be prepared with the game plan to win the competition. So every organization in present scenario or every business unit is actually working on some strategic moves. That is the only key to success. So, whenever a company plans to move ahead of the competition, they prepare some strategic plans, and formulation is actually preparing some specific plans for the future. So, strategy formulation is actually the process of establishing organizational goals and analyzing it and coming up with different alternative solutions to get true results. Let's quickly look at the steps to strategy formulation. जब हम strategy formulation की बात करते हैं तो there are multiple number of steps. We can go through establishing organizational objectives. We have to analyze the organization environment. We have to form quantitative goals, objectives, and we have to check the performance analysis, and finally we do the selection of strategy. So when we talk about different levels of strategies are having three different levels. Now levels are what? In every organization or any business organization, we see that there are three basic levels of organization, which is having its subcategorization like corporate level, business level, and functional level. So when we talk about corporate level strategies, we say the level where the top level managers prepare plans. Secondly, business level strategies are prepared by business managers. Some of the strategies like cost leadership strategy, differentiation strategies, etc. Functional strategies are actually prepared by the functional managers, or we can say any functional unit of organization. Corporate level strategies are basically called as grand strategies in terminologies of management. Grand strategies are basically being created by the top level managers. They are having their subcategorization as stability strategy, expansion strategy, retrenchment strategy, and combination strategy. Let's quickly look to the different strategies related with the corporate level. So stability means the business organization want to stay at the same level in spite of making major changes in their strategic plans. When I talk about expansion, as the name suggests, we say we are going to increase our business units, or we are going to expand our business in different sectors. Retrenchment is actually the deduction. We say that divestment, whenever the business is going to get shut down, any of the basic unit which is not giving us sufficient profit, we say we are going to retrench, or we are going to shorten our business as it is already expanded along. Combination is actually a combination of stability strategy, expansion strategy, and retrenchment strategy.